girl, the natural guru here, back with another hair video. And today's video is going to be a style video. I'm going to try to do a perm rod slash flexi rod set on my hair because I don't have, you know, more than the other. I just have a good even amount of both, and I need all of it for all this hair. So a new product that I'm going to mention is this new Curls, the Ultimate Style Collection. It's new to me. I don't know if it's new to y'all. It's my first time seeing it in Target. So it is said it's a creamy curl gel formulated with marshmallow root to condition and thicken curls. This is the medium hold one and is used for roller and rod sets. So this is how it looks. It said that it does not flake. It's no dry alcohol. It has incredible slip. It's made with a herb that is also known as white marshmallow herb. It's an African plant with short, roundish leaves and small pale flowers. It's been around for centuries. It's super rich in proteins and vitamins. So it says apply on freshly cleansed and conditioned hair. On day 1, if using for a roller set, apply Be Enviable creamy curl gel section by section. Smooth your hair completely with a bar bristle brush. Wrap your gelled hair around the rollers or rods and sit under a dryer until dry or air dry overnight. It can also be used for a braid out or twist out or wash and go. So it's no flakes. It says no flakes guaranteed. And it also says post your results on Instagram, tag @curls for a free gel. Now it smells so good. It smells like a Kool-Aid. The texture is like a loose gel. It's a watery gel actually. It's not, it's a clear, it looks pink, but it's like really clear. I'm gonna add a little bit at first, just to, you know, get a feel for it. So yeah, I'm going to do that. It says smooth completely out with a bristle brush. Going on, it's like, it smells so good, y'all. Like, it's so, and it gives my hair a little bit of shine. Okay, it's bringing out the curls a little bit. And again, y'all, I only did a perm rod set one time, so do not judge me. My hair is drying really quick. What I am gonna do is add some of this gel at the ends, like that. And then I am going to rip this bitch up.
Also has the same sort of elastic around the bottom as the bottoms do, but this most certainly was folding on me. So I don't know if you know how it works in general, but I mean it's a cute thing, but it's just gonna be a no for me. Now the next two are one pieces, but they are super cute. Now this one gives me like very much like a James Bond type of chick situation, and I was very surprised with this because I thought the mesh was going to be difficult. The mesh was not difficult at all. I didn't sweat putting this one on. Like, I legit stepped into it. You know, I did a little shimmy like we always do, putting on bathing suits. That's nothing new. But like, it was one of those things where I had to be like, okay, 3, 2, 1, pull. Like, that wasn't the case with this. It got like super easy. It's like, it has a mild sexiness, like a
Okay, Guru Gang, so this is the finished look. I can't say that it's like spot on of what I wanted, but it's not bad, you know what I'm saying? So I don't think that it looks really bad, but I do feel like it should have been more defined. But I also did go work out, so it did get a little frizzy, but I do like the look. I feel like if I keep doing it, again, this is my first time, so if I keep doing it, I know I'm going to perfect it. But anyway, let's get to this product. Now, this said that it was flake free. I don't know if it was flaking because I mixed it with my Carol's Daughter curl butter or whatever it's called, or it's just because it's a gel and it's flaking. Because I don't want to just use this by itself, because I don't think that's going to make my hair, you know, keep my hair hydrated. But it wasn't like one of them flaky products that's like it's all over your shirt, no. So, but all in all, the product is really good for roller sets. Like I said, I'm going to try it again when I have more perm rods or more flexi rods, because the style will come out better and more defined as well. And I'm going to start off doing it during the day because I can't go to sleep with all this stuff in my head. It was so uncomfortable. Imagine how the other one after this works is probably even better. But this is a good product for a perm rod set. So if you haven't tried it, make sure you go ahead and go to Target and buy it, or go on their website. Again, if you do tag them on Instagram that you have this, you do get a free curl gel. So that's a plus. So I give this product a 9 out of 10. It was a really good product, and I am going to repurchase the other ones. I'm just not going to repurchase this one because I want to try all the other ones. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you check out all my other videos. I do have a couple down there reviewing Cantu hair products. So I'll see y'all in my next video, Guru Gang.